a yummy fruit that kids love to eat. B is for ball, round and bright. Bounce it high with all your might. C is for cat, soft and small. It says meow to one and all. D is for duck, yellow and fun, splashing water in the sun. E is for elephant, big and kind, with long, long trunk you'll always find. F is for fish, swimming free, dancing in the deep blue sea. G is for grapes, purple and green, sweetest little fruit you've ever seen. H is for horse, fast as the wind, gallops proud with tail behind. I is for ice cream, cold and nice, one little bite feels like paradise. J is for jaguar, fast and strong, jumping happily all day long. K is for kite, flying high, colorful wings in the sky. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring loud and looking grand. M is for monkey, climbing trees, swinging, laughing in the breeze. N is for nest, warm and neat, baby bird sleep safe and sweet. O is for orange, juicy and round, healthy snack that's always found. P is for panda, black and white, eating bamboo day and night. Q is for queen, gentle and fair, wearing a crown with royal care. R is for rainbow, bright and tall, 7 colors for one and all. S is for sun, shining so bright, giving the world its golden light. T is for tiger, striped and strong, walking proudly all day long. U is for umbrella, open wide, keeping you dry on rainy rides. V is for violin, soft and sweet, playing music with a gentle beat. W is for whale, big and